present in the atmosphere. So let's start, everybody. So humidity of air. So let me understand humidity of air. Let you all understand very clearly. For example, let me take now. So we are the persons who are living just 30 kilometers, almost approximately 30 to 50 kilometers away from the ocean. Is it right or wrong, everybody? All of you? Pudukkottai is the region where we are just 30 kilometers or around 50 kilometers away from the ocean or sea. Is it right or wrong, all of you? Now, persons who are living very closer to the ocean. So just like 5 kilometers, 10 kilometers, coastal areas, we used to call it as what, everybody? Coastal areas. Now it is the summer season only. Let me take now. Now you tell me who will feel more heat? Either coastal area people or we people will feel more heat compared to us. Mr. Lingesh, Pranav, who will experience more heat? Coastal area people or we people? Of course, we
Coastal
are coastal areas. Why? Why coastal area people are more heat? They will experience. They will experience more heat. What is the reason? Coastal area rate of evaporation means the water will evaporate into gaseous state. Ocean water is present, so that here more moisture is present, more humid or less humid. Yes, please. More humid. Understanding? So coastal areas, more humidity is present in the atmosphere. So they will experience more heat or less heat. Everybody.
More heat.
More heat. Understanding? That is what you have to remember. So now you see that if you are having a dry air, all of you remember is very summer and dry air, so that our sweat will evaporate faster or slower. Our sweat will fastly evaporate or slowly evaporate.
Fastly evaporate.
Fastly evaporate. So that if you sit under the fan, you will feel cool or hot, Lingesh?
Cool.
You will sit cool, you will feel cool. But your atmosphere is very highly humid. Now if you sit under the fan, still the sweat is evaporating very slowly. That is what we used to call as moist air. What is to call, everybody? We used to call as moist air or high humid air. Now you tell me. So moist air means the sweat will evaporate faster or slower. Everybody. Slower, so that you will feel hotter, cooler. Heat is more or less? More heat. Understand? That is what you have to remember. Is it okay, guys? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
That is what. So please write it. So moist air also we can call it as damp air. What is to call, everybody? Damp air. So which is very dangerous? High humid air or less humidity air? Which one?
High humid air.
Yeah, that is what. Okay, right is what. Right. Higher the humidity, less will be the rate of evaporation. Higher the humidity, less will be the rate of evaporation. Okay, so you'll feel more heat. High humid, more heat or less humid? Less heat. High humidity, more heat or less heat, guys? More heat. More heat, because evaporation is slower, faster. Evaporation is slower. Is it okay, guys? Respond, Ra. Now, if you want to experience this one, you put a cloth drying in our inside a room, one room, and close the doors and all for half an hour. After that, you go and stay 2-3 minutes. Immediately, you will experience the suffocation. Am I right or wrong? You verify it. Am I correct, all of you? Your mother kept a cloth drying in or inside the home, and you went into that room suddenly. Definitely, you will feel more suffocation. Am I right, everyone? All of you? Nobody will answer. What I should do? Because atmosphere water cannot be escape outside as it is a closed doors. So moisture vapor evaporation is more and more faster. Today you can do one thing. Put 2 or 3 cloths inside a room for drying and on the fan, and you try to stay inside. You will be very faster. You will start sweating. Am I right or wrong? You can verify and let me know in tomorrow's class. Is it okay, guys? Everybody? So that is what example. So in which one, where more coastal area, due to high humidity in coastal areas, the people of these areas will prefer to wear what cloths? Cotton cloths or other cloths are coastal areas?
Cotton cloth.
Cotton cloths, because of high humidity, more moisture is present in the atmosphere, so that rate of evaporation faster, very slower, so they'll feel more hot. That is why they will use actually cotton cloths, because cotton cloths will absorb the sweat. What? Cotton cloths will absorb the sweat more faster. Yes or no, guys? Everybody. And
Yes, sir.
mainly these areas, in these regions, yeah, like Abhirami said, Lingesh is saying air conditions. So air conditioner, you are all having AC. Am I right, everybody? Most of you are having air conditioner. Yes? All of
Yes,
you?
sir.
Yeah. Now,
Sir.
today I'm saying you on your AC, whatever the timing you are having, suppose maybe 11 o'clock to 12 o'clock. Today you all verify 11 o'clock to 1 o'clock, you just collect the water which is drained from your AC, air conditioner. Is it okay, guys? Drained water from air conditioner. 11 o'clock, 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. sharply. Okay, guys? Next, tomorrow also 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. you drain all the water, drain the entire water from the air conditioner. Whatever water is coming, water will come out or not? Air conditioner, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Then you tell me, is the quantity of water will be same or not in the both the days? Yes, Mr. Gokul Ras, understand what I am saying? So in which day it will collect more water? High humidity or less humidity? Everybody.
High.
Yeah, if humidity is high, if high humid, then it will drain more water or less water? Everybody. It will drain the more water, because how the AC conditioner, AC will works with the principle of what? What is the principle? AC works the principle of maintains. How it will lose the cooling? Maintains moisture content of the room. That is only the principle of AC. Understand, Ra? All of you? Clear? Moisture content of the room it will be maintaining. That is why AC will gives you what? It will gives us cooling by absorbing the moisture from the atmosphere. So if I remove the humidity, so temperature will decrease or not? Rate of evaporation will faster. Yes or no, guys? All of you? Yes, please. So rate of
Yes,
evaporation
sir.
faster in less humid or high humid? Everybody?
Sir, less humid.
Less humid. That is what you have to remember. And I already told you one example. Yes, Lingesh is asking, sir, after we have the AC, suddenly without fan, it immediately starts to sweat. Yes, Mr. Lingesh, that is a reason. Because our body is adapted to like at that low temperatures. Suddenly AC offs, even under the fan. Now you summer, you on the fan. You'll feel that it is blowing the hot air instead of cool air. Am I right, Alfin? Agalya?
Yes, sir.
Yes, that is all the reason, because high humidity always more faster we can sweat it. That is the reason. Next, one more thing you all experience it. Now, go and check in your refrigerators. You all having refrigerators. Ask your mother to open, defreeze and check it. In which season more ice will form and more faster it will form? Winter season or summer season? Everybody verify it and let me know. In which season? Summer
Sir.
season, more
Summer
faster
season.
ice will form. Why? Because that is a principle. It will condenses the more atmospheric moisture very faster. That is why more fastly ice will form in the summer. Do you all understand, everybody? Clear? Yes? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Now, today you go near to your refrigerator and inside will be having a defreeze. Yes or no, guys? Yes? Now,
Yes, sir.
inside the deep freeze, you can hear the flow of water sound, flow of water. Where that water is coming? Are you pouring the water in the deep freeze? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Are you pouring the water in the deep freeze? Anybody?
No, sir.
No. That water, you can hear the water sound. Water is moving inside the deep freeze. You can check it. Go and hear it. You will hear or not, let me know. So where that water is coming? It is a condensed water from where? From the moisture. Elame clear? It is the condensed water from where? From the atmospheric water vapor. That is the reason. So LMA clear, understand? Or else now you summer season take one ice cube and put it in a glass and in your water bottle. You just expose to the surroundings. Do you experience that water vapors are present complete glass or water bottle just within it 1 or 2 minutes outside? Outside, have you experienced it or not? If you put a cool water or ice cubes inside the cup, surroundings fully filled with water. Am I right or wrong? Yes. Nobody experienced
Yes,
that.
sir.
Yeah. Where this water is coming? Is the bottle is leaking or the glass is leaking?
Sir,
Or
no,
where the
sir.
water is coming? Yes, please.
Sir, when
Yes.
the air passes, it cools
Yes.
down and
So
water
as
comes
we know, surrounding air is hot air or cool air? Hot air.
on.
So the surface of the glass is what? The surface of the glass is what? Very cold. So
Cool.
hot wave will come and will contact here. Temperature falls. So temperature falls means the gas will condense back into what? All of you. Condense back into liquid. So condensation will take place. So condensation more faster it will take place in which season? Summer season. You can check it. More fastly the moisture will form on the liquid will form on the surface of the god. Is it okay, guys? This is the activity you can prove. Understand, everybody? So atmosphere contains what? Understand, Ra? Moisture. So moisture will decide or not, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Moisture will decide
Yes,
the
sir.
rate of evaporation. So less moisture or more moisture? When rate of evaporation is faster? Less moisture or more moisture?
Yes, moisture.
Less moisture. That is what. Next case. D. Speed of the wind. Speed of the wind. Let me take now. Now, I will give you one saucer to Mr. Kishore and another saucer to Mr. What's his name? Gokul. Yeah. Now you can see Lingesh. Lingesh is asking one question. Just wait, Mr. Lingesh. Yeah. Sir, if you drink a tea in saucer in high humid areas, what will happen? It will take very more time to cool it, Lingesh. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, I have given one saucer, same saucer to Mr. Kishore, another saucer to Mr. Gokul. Now, Kishore is a very intelligent boy. He poured the tea and pour the tea in the saucer, and he not doing anything. He just kept it for cooling, natural cooling. Let it be cool it, and I will have it. Mr. Gokul is also very, very intelligent boy. So along with the cooling, natural cooling, he just started blowing the air on its surface. Have you noticed it? When we are having the tea, automatically sound will come like that. Have you experienced it, everybody? Or else some people will be like that. They will blow the air and they will have it. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So why they are blowing the air there? Everybody, blow
Sir,
the
so
air.
that the rate of cooling will be higher.
Yes. So more faster. For example, your mother, suppose your bus is on the way within 2 minutes, you have to cool your rice. Otherwise, you are putting in a plastic box, the box will melt. Now, your mother wants to cool the rice very faster. So she removed the lid and kept, and another time she kept under the fan. So where the fastly the rice will cool. Everybody.
Fan.
Under the fan.
Because
Under the fan.
fan will blow the air more faster. Understanding? So blow the air more faster so that rate of evaporation more faster, slower. Everybody.
Rate of evaporation will be
More
faster.
fast. Sir, why, sir? Everybody will teach only, sir, speed of the wind will decide. So first write the statement. So higher the speed of wind, higher the speed of wind, faster will be the rate of evaporation. Is it okay, everybody? Faster will be the rate of evaporation. Sir, why, sir? Kishore will ask me. Because he knows. Reason is, now see, if suppose this is the sauce, now the air is moving slowly moving, means in the sense of only which particles will evaporate, we all people knows. Only which particles will evaporate, evaporation process. Only the particles which are present in what?
Top.
Yes, on the surface particles. You should not say top, Mari. You should use a word called as surface. Clear?
Sir.
Yeah. So only surface particles will evaporate. Yes or no, guys? Everybody? Yes. So when the air is blowing very slowly, all of you remember, air is blowing slowly, so that it will take more time to evaporate the water particles. Understanding? Because the rate of evaporation is very slow, as it is air is moving very slowly. So the particles will absorb the heat energy, and evaporation it will take more time. Now, if the air is blowing very fast air is moving, so that more air will contact with the surface particles. So more faster, the surface particles will evaporate. So that more faster the surface particles evaporate, so that it will be fastly cooling or slowly cooling. Everybody, fastly cooling or slowly cooling? All of you respond, Ra. Fastly cooling. That is what. So when the blowing air, the speed of the air is more, so that more area will come in contact or less area will come in contact. Everybody,
More area.
more air will come in contact with the surface, so that it will be like, that is the reason Mr. Gokul can have the tea very faster, as it is atmosphere air also coming in contact, and also he is also blowing what? With his mouth, he is blowing the what? He is blowing the air. Understanding? So blowing air with the mouth, so it will causes more faster. Is it okay, guys? Everybody? Yes,
Yes, sir.
that is the
Yes,
reason.
sir.
Okay, so please remember that. Understood, Amma?
Sir.
Sir.
Next, last one. So this is the speed of the wind. So next, last one. Last one, for example, you all people tell me, I will keep 1 glass of like 1 liter of water in an open container and 1 liter of petrol in an open container. So which will be evaporate faster?
What?
Petrol.
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 Yeah, petrol. Why? Lingesh, yes, Lingesh. If you go to hotel, have you noticed it? All of you, that hand dryer, after washing, if you put under some machine, dryer very fastly will make our hand dry. Have you noticed
Yes,
it?
sir.
Because by
Yes, sir.
providing, by sending what? Hot air. Have you noticed it? Hot blowing
sir.
air, the rate of evaporation faster, so that it will make our hand very fastly wet, dry. Is it right or not?
Yes,
All of
sir.
Yes, sir.
now
Yes,
you
sir.
tell me, I put one glass of water, 1 liter of water and 1 liter of petrol. Which will evaporate faster?
Petrol.
Petrol. Why? Why, Shivani? Because whose boiling point is low? Whose boiling point is low?
Petrol.
Boiling
Petrol.
point of petrol is less than what? Is less
Water.
than boiling point
Water.
of water. So that now you tell me, who will converting into liquid state to gaseous state more easily? Low boiling point,
Petrol.
high boiling point.
Petrol.
Low boiling point,
Boiling point.
yeah, more faster. So the substances who can change the state easily, I told you, we used to call one thing. Anybody can tell me?
Highly volatile.
Volatile. Very good. So higher the boiling point of the liquid, lesser will be the volatile or more will be the volatile? Everyone.
More volatile.
More
More
volatile.
boiling point, less volatile.
Less
Less
volatile.
boiling point, more
More
volatile.
volatile.
More
That is
volatile.
only called as nature of the liquid. What is to call, all of you?
Nature of
The liquid. So that is why we have to store the substances who is having less boiling point. We have to store in open containers or closed containers. All of you.
Closed containers.
We have to contain always airtight containers. What containers?
Airtight containers.
Airtight containers.
There can be condense petrol.
Yeah, we can, but we need like what we can say, closer container. Very fast it will evaporate, Mari. We can condense it back by decreasing the temperatures. Okay, so that is what it is. Any substance we can condense it back. Now that is the reason. So if you take alcohol, spirit is more and more volatile due to the weaker force of attraction or stronger force of attraction. Everybody. Yes, please. Volatile substances having weak force of attraction or strong force of attraction. All of you. Volatile
Weak
substances.
attraction.
Yeah,
Weak force.
volatile substances, they have what Rapra now? Weak force of
Attraction.
attraction. Attraction between what? Alpin? Attraction among whom? Among particles.
Partic
Okay, or matter, or particles of the liquid, or a matter. So that is why. So nature of the liquid will decide the rate of evaporation. So who will evaporate faster? So that is why I said, if you put acetone or if you put spirit in our hand, and another hand if you put water, so which hand you will feel more cool? Everybody. Which hand you will feel more cool? Left hand water, right hand acetone. So which hand you will feel more cool?
Right
right
hand.
hand.
Right hand. Why? Acetone is more volatile or less volatile? Acetone.
More
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 volatile.
volatile. Because less boiling point or more boiling point?
Sir,
Less
one
boiling.
doubt, sir.
Less
More
boiling
boiling point means less volatile, sir.
Yeah, less boiling point, more volatile.
More
More boiling point, less volatile.
less.
Okay. Understand, Ra? Write it. That is the last point. Higher the boiling point of the liquid, higher the boiling point of the liquid, higher the boiling point of the liquid, lesser will be its volatile nature. Volatile nature. So more fast evaporation or slower evaporation? So evaporation is slow or fast? All of you. Evaporation is slower. Is it clear? All of you. Next. Lower the boiling point. Lower the boiling point of a liquid. What will happen, Ra? Everybody. Lower the boiling point of a liquid. Greater will be the what? Greater will be its volatile nature. So evaporation is faster or slower? Everybody.
Faster.
Evaporation is faster. So example. So who will faster evaporate? Spirit or water? Spirit.
Spirit.
Yeah.
Spirit.
Low BP. Spirit evaporate faster than water, because water is having what? High
Boiling.
boiling point. Very good, Gokul. Understand, Gokul? Yes, all of you.
Yes, sir.
So these are the 5 factors which is decides the rate of evaporation. So with this, I'll stop the today's class. I hope you are all clear. Then tomorrow we will discuss the differences between evaporation and boiling, and then we'll solve the exercise and we'll winding off now. So as today that one girl asked project details, I think Abhirami, you can ask, please call to Shivani or you can call to Agalya. They will explain the project clearly. Okay, ma? Yes? Still you have any doubt, you can text me, I will explain it. Okay, ma?
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay,
okay.
sir.
So all of you complete the project as it is only one more week we have. After that, we are having a school. Is it right, everybody? So please finish all the holiday
Yes, sir.
works and all. So with this, I'll stop the today's class. I hope everybody understand today's everything. Mr. Sanjay, Alfin, Hasini, clear everybody, all the 5 factors. So everybody make it quick. That's all it is. Okay. So thank you, everybody. We'll meet tomorrow's class.